Hi guys, welcome to Waka HQ. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect cup of instant coffee. First, you want to start off with a high quality instant coffee that is freeze dried and made with 100% Arabica beans. Then scoop 1 to 2 teaspoons of instant coffee into your cup. Next, we're actually going to add a bit of room temperature water to allow the coffee crystals to gently dissolve. This is because using boiling water may give you a burnt taste. At this point, you can add cold water and ice if you'd want iced coffee, but I want a hot cup of coffee right now, so I'm going to add hot water. Now let's give it a quick stir to make sure everything is dissolved, and just like that, we have a perfect cup of coffee. So one thing you can try is adding a pinch of salt to your coffee. This helps make it less acidic and brings out the natural sweetness of the coffee. Or if you want to balance out the bitterness, you can add some lemon juice to your coffee. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below.